Welcome Smilers to Friday the 18th of April 2025 and what would be Dad's 89th birthday today. So I put together a short film of some of my clips for you all to enjoy and to mark the occasion, and it will include my first drone footage, and it is a Freightliner 66601 in its revised livery, celebrating their 60th year. Thank you for all the wonderful feedback and continued channel support. We hope that we're bringing you plenty to keep you entertained. A happy Easter to you all, and keep smiling.